In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a car on Craigslist. Selling your car on Craigslist can be a cost-effective way to reach a wide audience, but it does require a few steps to ensure a successful sale. Let's walk through the process together and make it as seamless as possible for you. First, you need to visit your local Craigslist site. This ensures you're posting in the right area for potential buyers to find your car. Once you're on the Craigslist homepage, look towards the top left corner of the page and click on Post an Ad. This will guide you to the page where you can start creating your listing. When the page loads, you'll see a few options. Choose For Sale by Owner unless you are a dealer. This is important as it categorizes your ad correctly, making it easier for people searching specifically for private sales to find your listing. Next, you're going to select Cars and Trucks. This step ensures your vehicle is listed under the correct category and reaches the right audience. Now let's move on to filling in the details. Start by typing in a compelling posting title. This is your chance to grab attention, so make sure it includes key details about your car like the make, model, and year. For example, 2015 Honda Civic excellent condition can be eye-catching. Next, specify the price. Be realistic about this. Check similar listings to get an idea of the market rate. Now it's time to create a detailed description. Include information about your car's condition, any recent maintenance, and special features. The more transparent you are, the better. After that, fill in the make and model of your car. This might seem redundant, but it ensures your car appears in searches for those specific details. Following this, enter the odometer reading to let buyers know how much the car has been driven. You'll also need to specify the type of fuel your car uses, whether it's gasoline, diesel, or electric. Then indicate the title status. This tells potential buyers if the car has a clean title, salvage title, or something else. Make sure to also include the transmission type, whether it's automatic or manual, as this can be a deciding factor for many buyers. Once all these details are entered, click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to add images. Good quality photos can significantly improve your chances of selling your car. Upload multiple images showing different angles and key features. When you're done, click on Done with Images. And there you have it. Your ad is ready to go live. Remember, being honest and clear in your listing will help you attract serious buyers and lead to a smooth transaction. Good luck with your sale on Craigslist.